Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's your name?
My name is Jake. Nice to meet you, Emma. How old are you, Emma?
I am 23 years old. How old are you, Jake?
I am 25 years old. Emma, what time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? Thank you.
Where are you from, Emma?
I am from the United Kingdom. Where are you from, Jake?
I am from Canada.
What do you want to become, Emma?
I want to become an English teacher. What do you want to become, Jake?
I want to become a writer.
Jake, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is history. What about you, Emma?
My favorite subject is English.
Emma, do you have a brother or sister?
Yes, I have one sister. Do you have a brother or sister, Jake?
Yes, I have one brother.
Jake, what did you do last night?
I watched a movie last night. What did you do, Emma?
I read a book last night.
Emma, how do you feel after the class?
I feel happy and confident. How do you feel, Jake?
I feel great. I learned a lot today.
Jake, what are you thankful for?
I am thankful for my family. What are you thankful for, Emma?
I am thankful for my health and my friends.
Now it is your turn. Answer this question in the comments. What are you thankful for? We want to read your answers.
If this video helped you, please give it a big like.
And subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for new lessons every week. See you in the next video.
Bye!